All right, so we're going to talk about how we save something in Illustrator. So now that's not like Google where it just saves automatically. You do have to manually save it. I recommend doing this every like 5 minutes or so because all the computers hooked up to one power strip. Sometimes those power strips will shut off somehow, and you lose all your work. So make sure you're saving about every 5 minutes. Now the first time you save is a little bit more of a process than just going back and hitting File Save later. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So we're going to File, Save As. Okay, it's going to bring you to what's called the File Explorer. Okay, you can also get it down by this folder down here. We're going to look for our username drive. Okay, so it's also our H drive. And you're going to create a TechEd folder. What we don't want to do is have a big mess of all of our projects. We're going to be throwing a lot of them in here. So we want to make sure we're staying organized. Okay, so how we do this, we're going to go in new folder. And I'm going to type in TechEd 2 because I already have a TechEd folder. So you guys just go with TechEd. I'm going to double click on that TechEd 2. I'm going to go new folder again, and I'm going to type in FabLab 1. Reason being is you might take multiple TechEd classes, and most of our TechEd classes do some sort of saving to this TechEd folder. So make sure you start with, starting off with FabLab 1. Next thing we're going to do, we might as well make a folder for Intro to Adobe Illustrator. Okay, every single project we do in here, you're going to want to create a folder for. So we start on the laser, when we start on, the vinyl cutter, you're going to want to create a folder for that. So after that, then I can start saving it as Unit 1. You can get even in more detailed as you want. All right. So I'm going to start with Unit 1 because I'm going to save two things in here. It's going to be the Adobe Illustrator file, and it's going to be the picture file or my snipping tool of that. So make sure we are double clicking or creating a folder for both. So I'm going to click on that. So you'll see it's W Seminar Unit 1. So that pre-made title we made in the beginning, all right, that's where this comes into play, where it already has it for you. So all I got to do is click Save, and then I'm hit OK, and then I'm done. So now when I keep working on this, so say I move something here, notice it adds a little asterisk marks after the title here. That means it's unsaved, that I made some modifications. So all I got to do now is go File, Save, and I'm done. And that's how you save things on Adobe.